So we're gonna exchange these fishes. He's gonna take my squid, I'm gonna take his fish, and that's it for lunch. Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Magnum Offshore. Today here for the very first time at the Emirate of Dubai. I'm meeting new friends. Let's have a good day together.
Come on to the camera, man. You are the director. Guys, so we're talking today about trading, and we're not talking about the cryptocurrencies. We're talking about trading, this what is important. So not trading bad things, but good things. And then definitely look what will happen. So I think the nice squid is going to be traded for the beautiful... Whoa, watch out, it's super slippery.
We got it.
Okay, what happened is I didn't get to shoot any fish today, but I got this nice squid. I don't eat them. He loves them.
I love
So we're gonna trade. That's the deal.
I shot this nice orange spotted Trevally. It was a double shot. You guys will see in the video, which I will send to you.
Yeah, we'll share that.
We will share the videos, and you guys will see that I did a nice double shot on them. It was my first dive of the day, and a big school of them came by, and I shot this guy alongside another one.
So how heavy is that?
I don't know, it's heavy. How much do you think? KG maybe?
Exchanging gifts.
We're even.
We're even. It's even.
video came to an end. Thanks for watching. My friend Andre, Francesco, Magnum Offshore. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel now.
Good guys, have a good time and safe in the water.
It's like a baby, man. It's like holding a little baby.
I love this one.